Hey Sam fam, welcome back to our, I think, 4th tutorial video, and this one is going to be about protecting an asset, so asset death quest. So make sure to sit back, relax, and like, comment, and subscribe, and watch all the way through for me. So we're already in here, and we're gonna get rid of this quest. Now don't forget, if you have this all gray and turned off, make sure to turn it on so that you can set your quest. You're gonna name it whatever you want. Let's name it Protect. Protect Max. And add the description. Let's just say make sure he doesn't die, and you're just gonna add that. Make sure that he does not die. You can do auto unlock or requires message. This one again is going to be auto unlock. Then you're gonna go to asset death. Asset to watch is Maximilian, and then it will put all that stuff in. You just have to make sure that he doesn't die. So you can do auto completion, which is what I'm gonna do again, and then send message or end game. So then once you've done that, you might want to add some predators that you have to protect him from. So, let's see. No, not him. Let's use some defector bots. And let's use a lot of them to make this unrealistically cool. Then, of course, you have to protect Max. Oh, but they're not actually even going after Max. Okay. Oh, because I forgot to do something. So, we have to make his behavior like a prey. Or something. Let's just make him a melee enemy and see if they start attacking him. Okay, they don't. So let's just do like this. Okay. Oopsie. We don't want Max to be in that. Okay. So we're gonna go to edit logic. And the tags to attack is gonna be, Max. No, it's gonna be Asker, because that is the tag that I gave Max on our first tutorial video, I'm pretty sure. And you're just gonna do this. Oops. One of them has the tag Asker, so you don't want to use that. Okay, you're just gonna go like this. Okay, edit logic, and you're gonna do, okay, let's move this dude, and then let's do this dude. Edit logic, tags to attack is gonna be Asker. Okay, and then you're gonna wanna do all these dudes. Whoopsie, we don't wanna put them in the ground. Okay, and edit logic for all of them. Tags to attack, and you're just gonna want to keep doing this until you've done it to all of them, and they all are gonna attack the tag Asker or whatever tag that you gave the person that you want them to attack. So you're just gonna do that. We don't want them attacking them. Okay. I want to get all 3 of them done at the same exact time, but I don't know if that's possible. Okay, let's move Max over here so that he's not in these guys' ways, so that we can make them all attack. Okay. Edit logic. Tags to attack. And we're gonna go masker. Okay. Now, when you load into the game, they're all gonna be attacking Max, and you have to protect him. Now, if you don't protect him, he will die, and you will lose the game. So, Max died, and the game ended once he died. And so, this was a pretty long tutorial video, but, oh, actually, this one isn't that. But that's how you're gonna use the asset death quest to protect an asset, or whatever you wanna do. So, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Help us make a better future today in the metaverse.